Hi guys! Today, I am going to present the 8 visual symbols in teaching. My topic is all about swine production. The 8 visual symbols in teaching are the drawing, cartoons, comic strip, diagram, chart, graphs, maps, and poster. First is the drawing. This is an example of drawing. I will use this symbol for discussion. The objectives of this symbol is to show the basic pig housing design. Next is the cartoons. This is an example of cartoons. I will use this symbol for motivation. The objectives of this symbol is to teach the students on how to provide food waste for the pigs to eat. Comic strip. This is an example of a comic strip. I will use this symbol for motivation. The objectives of this symbol is to let the students identify the common farm animals. Diagram. This is an example of a diagram. I will use this symbol for discussion. The objectives of this symbol is to identify suitable cuts of meat for various cooking and to become familiar with the basic meat cuts. Chart. This is an example of a chart, a flow chart. I will use this symbol for discussion. The objectives of this symbol is to discuss current methods of slaughter and dressing of swine. Graphs. This is an example of a graph, a pie graph. I will use this symbol for discussion. The objectives of this symbol is to determine the meat percentage on swine carcass. Maps. This is an example of map, an economic map. I will use this symbol for discussion. The objectives of this symbol is to identify the swine production in northern Mindanao. Poster. This is an example of poster. I will use this symbol for assessment. The objectives of this symbol is to determine the prevention of African swine fever.